Well, this is what happens when you hit Chaps.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's good.
Well, I'm going to have to pause cutting for a little bit because in that last little cut, I let the saw bounce back and hit me in the chaps. So that could have been a gnarly little femoral cut. Got about, I don't know, a minute to live after that. But these chaps, the way they work is they're full of this fibrous material that just pulls into the chain, jams up the saw, and stops it pretty much instantaneously. You might get a little nick out of it, but these will save your life. Definitely wear chaps.